Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. Want to make a new video. 2018, last day of January. I'm going to show you some proof here in a minute. I wanted to show you some proof, guys. Just got a gold member right here. Got tons of gold members, but I'm showing you all these opt-ins that are coming in like crazy. As always, leads equal money, as I always tell you that. But how do you get started? You have no idea where to start. I'm going to show you newbies now making money, $100, over $20 over and over again. $400 commissions. They're getting that doesn't even include right here, like it says, team bonuses. That's when someone joins underneath you. If they make money, you make money, and the training is there, so it's really easy to make money. Now, this particular setup here in the Facebook Freedom Takers, they have a co-op where they're actually helping each other get leads. Okay, and everyone who joined so far has received leads that again are going to turn into sales. So anytime you got a co-op where you can actually get leads sent to your autoresponder very easily, it's almost like basically printing free money. Okay, we got newbies making $20 a month over and over residual income, making $100. I'm going to show you these testimonials. Okay, see right here, 20, 400, 100. Here's another one for another 100. I just went diamond a day. Let's do it. So I got $100 commission right here. They got a $20 a month commission right here. Now these are brand new people. These are newbies. This particular group is filled with a ton of people who have never made money before online ever. Okay, $100 payments. Let's read this one. It says right here. It says, for upgrading to diamond, you can now start collecting those $100 payments. Okay, and she made $100. Every time someone upgrades, you make money from the upgrade, and when someone upgrades underneath them, you make a certain percentage. If you want to know how to get involved with the Freedom Takers, if you want to know how to get to all the videos, the training videos, the share codes, everything, so you can plug in and get started as quick as possible, you find a link under this video. I'm going to show you a bunch of proof from my results, from what I've been doing with Power Lead System. I've been in for years. Guys, you can do this. It's really simple. Like I said, all you need to do is get started. That's it. If you can just get started, not hesitate. The faster you do that, the faster your bank account will grow. Okay, it's Mike Internet Pro. I'm out.